I feel like we're in this predicament every video, but what's up YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back again with another video. And you see the sun going down already. I'm telling you, every time I come to this car, it's the same situation. It's the same time of day rather. But we did get something new in the mail. Let me show y'all. So we got a box in the mail. You know what I'm saying? And this box right here contains some pretty useful stuff. So let's crack it open. I don't know who wrapped that box, but they was mad because it just took me like almost 5 minutes to get into this box. They was definitely upset. But right here we have the correct, I assume, I hope, wiring harness for this right here. So that's what this video is mostly about, just swapping it. This is the other new one right here that I purchased, so I gotta send this one back and remove that one. And without further ado, let's get into it. About halfway done now. It's taking me about 45 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I had to jack the car up to get under it to connect a few wires on that side too. Got everything on this side wired up. I just got to get this old one out completely and route the new one around and down, and then we're done. The only thing I'll be waiting for at that point after is just this terminal that goes to the positive cable right here. I ordered that, so that should be in sometime this week. But once that gets here, I'll be able to throw the alternator in, finish up with this, and in theory the car should start. But you know what I'm saying, I'm finna get back to trucking. I'm trying to still beat the sun. We still got a little bit of daylight left, but I'm trying to beat the sun. So I'll see y'all again in a minute. All right, so I'm probably gonna call it quits for today. This is the harness. Where I'm stuck at is this piece right here, which this is the new harness, so don't get that confused. This is the one that I'm replacing it with. This one right here, this piece is stuck down there. I've analyzed every side of this and I cannot seem to figure out what's holding this on. It looks like I got the screw out of this as well, so that's not holding it. It's something towards the bottom that's holding it in, but outside of that, it's mostly out. Once I get that out, I can run the new one back in, thread it through the hole in the back right there, reconnect it to the ECU, and at that point we're just waiting on that positive terminal and hooking the alternator up, and then that'll just be what it is. But I think I'm done for today, so I might just time lapse me wrapping this up right here.
Boo! You stink!
I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Everybody that's new here, what's going on? What's up? Love y'all. See y'all later.
Hey, so make 'em run it back.